Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Shortform, one of the most talked about book summary and learning platforms online. Whether you're an avid reader, a lifelong learner, or someone who wants to get more knowledge faster, this video is for you. Let's get started. Shortform is a subscription-based learning platform built around in-depth book summaries, guides, articles, and top analysis designed to help you absorb ideas from books much faster than reading the full book, but with way more detail than your standard summary service. Unlike platforms that just give you a quick synopsis, Shortform's content is meant to be educational and analytical, almost like having a teacher, a coach, or a mentor walk you through a book's ideas, why they matter, and how they connect with other ideas. That means the content isn't just bullet points, it's summaries plus deep analysis, explanations in simple logical language, critical insights, connections to other books and big ideas, and exercises so that you can apply what you're learning in real life. So if you love learning with meaning, not just skimming for takeaways, Shortform positions itself as a tool for you. Now let us talk about the main features of Shortform. Detailed book guides. Each guide breaks down chapters with explanations, analysis, and context that go way beyond a regular summary. You get depth, not just surface level bullet points. One-page summaries. If you do want a quick snapshot first, Shortform gives you a one-page overview, which is perfect for deciding if you want to go deeper. Audio narrations. You can listen to every summary on the go. This is ideal for people who like audiobooks or who want to learn while commuting. Highlights, notes, and bookmarks. You can highlight key points, take notes, and you can bookmark sections, which is great for review later or for study purposes. And there are also interactive exercises. This is something most summary apps don't offer. Shortform includes questions and prompts that encourage you to apply the ideas and not just read them. With the mobile app, you can learn on the go with audio. Every Shortform guide has a full audio narration, so wherever you go in the world, you can listen to the world's best ideas. You can even get Shortform offline with the mobile apps on Android and iOS. There are topic and article guides as well. Content isn't just about books, there are also deep dives into topics and articles that pull insights from major sources. And there's also community discussions. Shortform has built-in discussion spaces where you can engage with other learners, share ideas, ask questions, and deepen your learning together. And there are PDF downloads. If you want offline access or printable versions, you can download PDFs of summaries to read anytime, even when you don't have internet. And all of this, as I earlier mentioned, are available on both iOS platforms and Android platforms, and on desktop, of course. In short, this is not just a summary tool, it's like a mini learning ecosystem. So, what is the pricing like? There's a free 5-day trial that you can try to get used to test the app before buying. And annually, if you decide to pay annually, it's $16.42 per month. But if you want to do a monthly payment, you pay $24 per month. But for both, you get access to the 5-day free trial. What are the pros and cons of using Shortform? First, the pros: extensively detailed guides, actionable insights and exercises. It also includes topic guides and articles and not just books. There's the audio plus text plus interactive tools and community discussions for real engagement. And of course, the mobile app, which takes you with Shortform wherever you go. How about the cons? The price is higher than many competitors, and some users report technical problems with the app experience. That's the general problem, of course. The library is smaller compared to some rivals. So definitely, no app is perfect. Shortform isn't, but it's powerful. Here's my honest take. Shortform isn't just a summary app. It's a learning platform for thinkers. So if you're someone who wants to understand ideas deeply, you want to see them in context and apply them to work or your life, Shortform delivers tremendous value. It bridges the gap between traditional book reading and speed learning, giving you both detail and meaning. So, if your goal is to skim knowledge quickly, Shortform might feel overwhelming. And if you want quick 10 to 15 minutes takeaways, there are cheaper tools that might serve you better. But with detail and learning, Shortform is one of the best. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.